Hi guys, and welcome to the Opportunity Call. My name is Jessica Wilson, and I'm a Master Couturier and the leader of the Crafty Chalkers team. And you were invited to view this call by either someone who I directly spoke to or by a member of my team who have referred you to watch this. So we welcome you, and we hope you enjoy the information that you're about to hear. Now, one of the most common things that we get asked is, how can I make a business from Chalk Couture? Well, there are four main ways that you can go ahead and work your business. The first way is by utilizing your chalk paste and transfers and to create finished projects. Once you have your finished projects, you can go ahead and sell them. A lot of people on my team love to sell their finished creations. You can choose how much you want to sell them and a location that you'd like to sell them and who you'd like to sell them to. So that is one great way to be able to run your business. Another way you can do it is by running it completely online. A lot of people do that. They will utilize social media to work their business, to reach out to new customers, new potential recruits, and they will show Chalk Couture in action, whether it's Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, a blog. That is the way that people use to run their business online. You could also choose to pre-purchase inventory and go to larger expos, larger vendor events, larger shows, and sell your the products that you have and to recoup your money back plus your commission. I actually love working my business that way. When you go to the larger shows, it's a great way to meet new customers that could be added to your VIP groups. It's a great way to meet new potential recruits, talk to them, get a handle on what it is that they're looking for and what they want and expect out of their business, and to sell product, get it more Chalk Couture into more people's hands. The last way that people typically run their business is by doing pop-up shops or home sip and chalks. Pop-up shops are a quick way to come in. It's like a more cooler way of offering like a home party. You come in with some examples of your finished work, maybe some your product, and you have people make a super quick and fast project, and then they place their order and they're on their way. It's a super it's really a lot of fun to do pop-up shops. You could also even do what we call sip and chalks. Sip and chalks are typically like going and doing a class. You would go ahead and get your prepayment probably about 2 weeks early, get prepayment for the products and the supplies that are needed, and then go ahead and place the order online, and then you'll bring it to the Sip and Chalk. So those are just some of the exciting ways that you can go ahead and run your business. Now, people will ask, what's the money that I earn? Well, here's what you need to know. Number one, when you are purchasing for yourself, you are purchasing at a 40% instant commission. Now, what does that mean? That means that you are pretty much receiving your commission up front to go ahead and purchase your products. So, for example, a size B transfer will typically retail for $14.99, but with your instant commission to go ahead and buy, you will be able to purchase that same transfer at $8.99. So you will also receive a commission on people who purchase through your replicated website. Remember, I was talking about people who sell directly online and they have people, maybe they reach out to through Facebook or Instagram or blogs, or even when you're going to those vendor events and expos, you give your cards out and people will get your online website and they go and shop. Well, you get a commission off that. You're going to make a 25% deferred commission, meaning it will be paid the following month to you when commissions are run, and you'll get it right to your Chalk Pay card. Now, another thing that you need to know, when you join, you will get a coupon code, and it's not necessarily a code, it's more a box that you'll check on in your back office when you go to sign in. And this code is for 15% off one entire order. So now, if you remember, I said that we get to purchase at 40% instant commission. You'll get another coupon that will do an additional 15% off an entire order. You get to use it one time, and it is good for 60 days from the day that you join. Now, there is something else that is great you get to earn what is called designer dollars. Now, designer dollars are awesome. It's like free Chalk Couture money that you can use on anything in your online store. You will earn 20 designer dollars for every $200 in PV or personal volume that you have. The personal volume can come between a mix of your orders, your customer online orders, your in-person orders, any orders that go through your online store. So $20 for every 200 that you spend, and it just continues to go up. So if you have 1,000 PV in 1 month, you're going to earn 100 designer dollars the following month once commissions are run. Now, another fun thing that we offer when you first join is something called Designer Debut, and I'm going to put a little grid that's going to come up right on the screen so that way you guys can see and experience what Designer Debut is, okay? This is our Designer Debut grid. Now, Designer Debut is the month that you join Chalk Couture plus 3 additional months. So, for example, let's just say that the date is October the 1st and you join October the 1st. Designer Debut is made up of 3 phases. So remember, for this example, we're going to use October 1st. So your phase 1 will be made up of October and November. Your phase 2 will be made up of December. Your phase 3 will be made up of January. Okay. Now, you have just such a way of earning so much additional designer dollars by completing the Designer Debut period. The Designer Debut is not mandatory. This is if you choose to work it. So if you complete your phase 1 of Designer Debut, and remember for this example, we said it was October and November. If you have $600 PV combined between October and November, you're going to receive a bonus reward of 60 designer dollars. Now, let's say October you had 400 in PV and November you had 200 in PV. In October, when commissions are run, you're going to get 40 designer dollars. You will not receive the Designer Debut dollars yet because you're still in phase 1. So you're going to receive 40. And then we said for this example, November, you had 200 in PV. So you will have completed your phase 1 Designer Debut because you had a combined total of 600 PV. You're going to get the bonus reward of 60 Designer Debut dollars plus an additional 20 Designer Debut dollars because we said that you had 200 in PV in November. Now let's move on to December. During the month of December, that will be your phase 2. During that month only, you need to achieve $800 in PV. Now, if you achieve the 800 in PV, not only are you going to get 80 designer dollars, because it's 20 for every 200 that you earn, you're also going to get the bonus Designer Debut dollars of 80 designer dollars. So it's 160 designer dollars that you earned in December that will be paid to you when commissions are run in January. Now, we're in phase 3. That is January. During the month of January and January only, you need to achieve $1,000 in PV. If you achieve $1,000 in PV, you're going to get 100 designer dollars because it's 20 for every 200 that you have. And then you're going to get the bonus reward of 1,000 Designer Debut dollars for a grand total of 200 designer dollars that will be paid out to you in February. Because remember, phase 3 is January. Here's another bonus part. If you achieve either all 3 phases of Designer Debut or a combined total of 2,400 in PV during those phases, you're going to get an additional bonus reward of 240 designer dollars. Is that not amazing? Think of all of the things that you can purchase for you or for your business by completing Designer Debut. Now, remember, it is not a mandatory thing. It's just a little something added if you really want to pick up your business and hit the ground running. An additional way of earning even more income is by being a savvy seller. Now, a savvy seller is someone who sells during a given month anywhere between $2,000 in PV and then all the way up higher. So from $2,000 to $3,999.99, you will get an additional cash bonus for every dollar over your, or for the total amount of your PV that month. So let's say you achieve $2,000 in PV during a given month, you will get a 10% cash bonus, which would be $200 in your commissions when they are run the following month. Now, if you go from $4,000 and over, you're going to receive a 20% cash bonus. Okay. So if you achieve 4,000 during the given month in PV, you're going to get an $800 cash bonus that will be paid out in your commissions. So if you're really working your business, Chalk Couture really will reward you for that. Okay. Now, if you, October the 1st started a brand new trip in earning period. Our incentive trip is to Fiji this year. There are details that you will see once you become a designer that you can go ahead and read in our FAQs on how you can get the opportunity to earn this trip. Now, you should also know you will receive additional bonuses if you choose to become a leader. You do not have to have a team, but if you do, there are additional bonuses. One such bonus would be when you achieve the title of Master Mentor. Your first time achieving that title, you're going to receive a $500 cash bonus from Chalk Couture. You also should know that when you are a phase 2 leader, you receive cash bonuses every single month, depending on how many leaders you have on your team. And just another little fun fact here, our comp plan is absolutely amazing. I'm going to throw it up here on the screen really quickly so that way you can take a look at it. But when you do see this video, just know that wherever you're watching this video at, whether it's from the designer who has sent it to you or you're watching it inside an opportunity group, you will be able to see this more up close and personal, and you will also get it in your new designer kit. If you would like to pause the video, you can go ahead and do that now, so that way you can take a look at our comp plan. Okay. Now, here are some of the details about your designership that you should know. Number one, there is a quarterly minimum of $150 in PV. You could break it down to $50 a month. You could do it all in 1 month. You could do 100, 100, 100, however you want. 100, 100, 100 obviously adds up to more than 150, but just so you know, I'm just giving you some examples. If you, when you join, there is a monthly fee every month, and I'm going to explain it to you what it encompasses. Number one, there is a fee of $19.99 US or $26.99 Canadian that will cover your replicated website maintenance. Now, remember I was talking about your replicated website? Our replicated websites are open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, morning, noon, and night, holidays, and weekends. So people can shop at any time. It is passive commission when it comes into you when someone goes to your website and places an order. Your websites are completely maintained. When people shop on your websites, you do not have to carry any type of inventory. You do not have to ship out anything. You don't have to worry about putting tax wherever it needs to go to the government or to the state. It's all maintained by Chalk Couture. That our websites are absolutely amazing. Customers can sign up for Club Couture. Customers can place orders. Your customers could become your designers, all from that website. Not only do you have your replicated website being maintained, you're also going to get a size B exclusive transfer every single month that we call Club Couture. It is an excellent way to market to potential customers who want to take advantage of our monthly service, I guess you could call it, or our monthly club. You're going to get that transfer every single month. Okay, so not only do you receive a $14.99 valued exclusive transfer, but you get that replicated website. So that is what your monthly fee will cover when you pay either your $19.99 US or $26.99 Canadian. There is also coming, it was going to be coming a lot sooner, but we did run into some little things with it. But you're also going to have access to an app to help track your inventory. It is not now, and it may not be for another few months after watching this video, but know that it is something that is in the works. Now, remember I was talking about having a team? Know that with Chalk Couture, you can grow a team all over the United States and in 5 different provinces that we are currently in. There are 4 additional provinces that we are looking into in Canada, but we have not officially gotten there. So know that you can grow your team in Canada and all over the United States. Also know that if you join whoever invited you to watch this video, you are part of the largest team of Chalk Couture, okay? So when you hear that you're part of the largest team, that also means you have so much support and so many people that you can go to assist you with the needs that you may have with working your Chalk Couture business. the new designer kit. Now, I'm going to, for the purposes of this opportunity video, because this video could be around for 4 or 5 months and we may have 3 or 4 different kit changes, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop the video here, but I will add in the picture of our new designer kit. At this current moment in time, our new designer kit is $99 US or $129 Canadian. Both will also include tax and shipping. Our new designer kit is such a great way. I like to call it a business in a box. It is a way to go ahead, get your box in the mail, open it up, and start running your business. There's so much in there that you can go ahead and you can use to rock your business. So hold tight to go ahead and see what this will include. Here is our current new designer kit. In this kit, which is $99 US plus tax and shipping, or $129 Canadian plus tax and shipping, you will receive 5 3-ounce chalk pastes. You will receive 7 silkscreen adhesive back reusable transfers. You will receive an apron, a small squeegee, a 12-pack of thank you cards, a 12-pack of chalkable chips, a board and base, a 9x12 porcelain steel 8 magnetic chalkboard, a 10-inch circle round boutique board, the beautiful fall winter catalog, and the README. So I hope you enjoyed everything you heard about joining Chalk Couture. We truly look forward to welcoming you to the team. We hope that you are ready to rock and roll and build your empire and join us on this awesome journey. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.